Guys, welcome to my very first video where I'm going to discuss some options for figuring out some cash flow, profitability, and how to grow your business. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tracy Collins. I am a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, a certified partner with House Call Pro, and a certified strategic advisor. So what I'm going to go through today is your cash flow and one of the problems that causes a low cash flow. So first I want to explain cash flow is just that. It is cash coming in and cash going out. It is different than your income. Many businesses have a positive net income, but they have a negative cash flow, which leaves them struggling to pay their vendors, pay their payroll, or pay for any other fixed costs or even direct costs that they need to pay for. So we're going to focus on one of the areas that could be causing a negative cash flow, and that's going to be having too many expenses. So what you need to do is, if you have an accounting software program, it's going to be fairly simple. You can go ahead and pull up a profit and loss statement. And you can do this for any time frame. Myself, I'm going to go ahead and do it for the last quarter, which is going to be January 1st, 2020 to March 31st, 2020. So here is just a general profit and loss where it's going to show you your income. It's going to show your direct costs and give you a gross profit. And then it's going to have all of your regular expenses in that. So with the regular profit and loss, you can look at it and see that, what areas are high in that. But the best thing to do is to go ahead and in QuickBooks Online, you just go up to where it says compare another period and click on percent of income. And then go ahead and click Run Report. So basically what this is doing is this taking all of these items and it's going to tell you how much of that, like for your income here, this is going to tell you how much of this particular revenue stream is the makeup of your income. And as you can see right now, the design income is of $1,300 is 21% of the overall income that is brought into this particular company. Now, what we're going to do for the expenses. Now, the expenses are going to be what percentage of these expenses are taking up your income. So right now, as we can scroll down, you can see that these numbers, none of them are really too high. But then we get down to this one here, and it's 48% of the income. And it's just listed under miscellaneous income. So right there, that's my very first indicator of, okay, so what's going on with this income? This expense is taking up 48% of the income. So I'm going to drill down into this and I'm going to take a look. And as you can see, there's a couple different things. It looks like there's some hardware and it looks like maybe a subcontractor. But then it looks like here there was an insurance payment that was added also to this, which is a large amount. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a look and try to figure out whatever seems to be a high amount here. Find out what that is and find out why it's so high and if there's anything that can be done with it. It might be, maybe it's a vendor and you need to find a cheaper vendor. Maybe it's, your payroll. Maybe your payroll is a little bit too high. And you need to kind of figure out ways that you can keep payroll down. Maybe there's too much overtime or, who knows. It's just a stepping stone to just kind of look at what is going on with your cash flow and your income. Now, if you don't have any accounting software, you can still go ahead and take a look at this. You can still do the percent of income to your expenses. And I will go ahead and throw that formula down in the comments of this video so that you can see that. And hopefully that will help you figure out what you need to do as far as what your expenses are. So I hope this video was informative. I hope it helps you get at least started to figure out what's going on with your cash flow. And please, if you have any questions or if you are interested in some advising services to help increase your cash flow, increase your profitability, and just overall grow your business, please reach out to us at www.collinsbookkeeping.com.